Pandas filtering rows by group value. Here is the data that I'm practicing with. I want to filter individual rows by a group valued. I know I can do the following to filter groups. Which finds which days have an average bill greater than $20. This works because groupby.filter takes a function to apply to each subframe that should return true or false. However, what if I want to find every meal row whose value for total_bill is greater than that day's total_bill? E.g., if a row has total_bill of 22 and was on Sunday, then it should be kept because Sunday's total_bill average was 21.41. This is my attempt. However, this yields something that looks like this: first few rows. This is not in the same order as the data frame, so I can't just take the Boolean column and use it to index the data. So now I do the following. Which gives me the desired result. There has to be an easier way, right? Please let me know if there is a proper way to do this. If not, is there at least a way I can combine the two steps into one? I can do the groupby, but I'm not sure how to get the values without storing the grouped object as a variable and then referencing it. Thanks.
The best way I think to do is to use Boolean indexing with groupby and transform. First you group by day to find mean for that day, then use transform to apply that mean to each row, next compare that mean to the actual total_build on that day, then use that Boolean series to filter your data frame with Boolean indexing. Output.
For same output need transform for return same series of mean per group, then filter by Boolean indexing and last add sort_values. Edit. For correct ordering by days is possible, use ordered categorical.
want to see more,